Smart glasses are everywhere, from CES 2025's slick holiday lenses to a wave of wearable tech. These gadgets are ditching bulky VR vibes for style and comfort. Ready to see the future? Let's jump in. What's up, tech crew? Smart glasses are having a moment in 2025, and the holiday lenses just dropped for pre-order after stealing the show at CES. Today, we're unpacking why they're hot and what this trend means for you. Let's go. So what's the deal? Wired nailed it on January 9th. Smartwatches are the new wearable wave, blending fashion with function. Think Ray-Ban Meta, but next level. The holiday lenses, they're 35 grams of sleekness with a tiny AR display beaming info like text or directions right to your eye. No clunky headsets, no VR nausea, just lightweight specs for everyday life. CES 2025 was packed with these gems, and they're here for folks who'd rather not strap on a Vision Pro. It's tech you'll actually wear. Let's zoom in on holiday. These bad boys sport a monochrome green display. Think a 3.5-inch screen floating in your vision, plus audio for calls and tunes. They've got proactive AI that translates 40 languages on the fly, summarizes combos, even acts as a teleprompter. Control it with a tap, voice, or a cool smart ring. Battery, up to 12 hours. Price, pre-orders $370 with a $10 deposit. Full retail is $490. It said that it's the anti-VR push, less invasive, more stylish. They ship March 31st, so the hype's real. Why is this blowing up? Smart glasses are the sweet spot, less geeky than VR and more useful than earbuds. Holiday's just the start. Meta, Google, even Samsung are cooking up rivals. Ex-posts from CES call them wearable tech done right. For creators and travelers, or just phone-fatigued folks, they're a game changer. Hands-free, subtle, and sharp. VR is still king for immersion, but smart glasses? They're the daily driver stealing the spotlight in 2025. So, are you team smart glasses? Would you rock holiday lenses or wait for the next drop? Hit the comments.